Live from Shimla. Just started packing and see the mess I created. I have to neatly organize them in the bag before my mom gets home, otherwise, I'm gonna get thrown out of the house.
Later.
Guys, guess the time right now. It's 2:30 at midnight. I'm not even visible in the camera. Not even a single creature is out except us. Guys, it's not a bad idea. Change of plans. Waking up at 2:30 and coming to airport is not a bad idea. You get to eat yummy food. So I didn't shoot me eating food or the food placed over there because I did a lot of times in every vlog. It's almost there, so I skipped that. But yeah, idli, vada, sambar, chutney, poha, paratha, and chole with egg and some sweet. What I don't know the name of the sweet, but sweet with cornflakes and chocos at least. We have a flight to Delhi at 5:55. Currently it's 5:15, so maybe at 5:30 we'll start from the lounge and go to our gate. It's 18 by the way, gate 18.
2 hours later.
Guys, हम ना बहुत बड़ा कांड करके बैठे हैं. Like when we were taking the boarding pass, the guy said like the time for boarding is 5:55. We rechecked it 5:55 or not. He again said 5:55. So we didn't even care to look at the boarding pass in our hand to just check if it's right or not. We were like, we have big eyes, right? Big eyes. I have big eyes. I can just see for once if it's true or not, but I didn't check. We went to the lounge. We ate our breakfast. We still had 1 hour left, but still, even for once, I didn't get the thought to I should at least check whether it's right or wrong. Generally, we stay at the gate for about 40 minutes or something. We come in prayer itself. We were coming from the launch. And we got a call from the airport department that, ma'am, sir, your flight left randomly. You didn't. Just a second. Like, your flight left, ma'am. The boarding is done. You're not in the flight. You didn't reach out to us, so we can't stop anything. Like, we were in gate 16. We were walking towards gate 18. It's just 2 gates far. And they closed the boarding. We literally ran from 16 to 18 and no one was there. Not even a single person. After 3-4 minutes, an officer came. We asked him. We actually told this is what happened and all. He called someone. He inquired if it's possible or not. After talking for 5 minutes, after saying it's an emergency and everything, he said, it's done, sir. You can't check in now. Even the flight is there. We closed everything. You can't actually go now. You go to our next department and book another flight or book another ticket. It's done. Once and for all. It's done. Khatam. It's the first time, right? I couldn't even digest the fact that I missed a flight. Like, I was just 2 terminals before my boarding was stopped and I was in the airport from like 3.5 hours literally. And staying in the airport, being on time, how the hell can I miss a flight? Does it make sense? It didn't for me, and even now it still doesn't. How? Once he said next flight to Delhi is at 3:30 p.m. Yeah, 3:30 p.m. If it's not before, it's waste to go to Delhi. Actually, we have to go to Shimla. Shimla is the main destination, but we had a day spare, so we wanted to go to Akshardham because we missed it. But 3-4 times we went to Delhi but couldn't visit Akshardham, so we wanted to cover Akshardham, but even now we weren't able to cover Akshardham because that flight is gone. Akshardham is gone. So we wanted to at least not 3 if it's possible. And he said, I'll check the flights, but before your baggage should come, I should receive a call that your baggage is there or anything. Only then I can book the next flight. We waited for more than 1 hour 40 minutes. Literally 1 hour 40 minutes. To just get checked if our baggage is there or not. We were just standing, we weren't informed anything. Wow. The 1 hour 40 minutes was full of tension. And the you know that torture of missing a flight, and being in the airport missing was more, like legit more. After 1 hour 40 minutes, a confirmation call was made that, not to us, to the person sitting and checking our ticket. It was made, and they said it's okay. The baggage is there, you can book the other flight ticket. And once we checked, the three or five members got cancelled their flight or something. They missed, I don't know, but there were 3 tickets spare for a 12 o'clock flight. We took that, we booked the tickets, and we are now right now at the second flight terminal. Now it's gate number 22, not 18. It's gate number 22. We are right now waiting. It's currently 10:51. Currently it's 10:55. We came way prior. Flight is at 12:50. And ours is a tragedy. And one more person, when we were discussing on this, waiting for my baggage, one more person was there at the terminal, was at the gate. He just didn't pay attention to the announcement. He missed the flight. And when he was asking, you should at least announce, you should at least say why you didn't say or something like that. The single answer, one answer. This is silent airport, and you should take care of your time, and you should be caring about your surroundings, and you are responsible for yourself. That's it.
The next day.
So guys, yesterday at almost 10:30 or 10:40 we reached Kalka, and from the railway station our hotel is just 15 minutes afar. They said the whole town of Kalka is not more than 2 kilometers, so it's a very tiny one. It's like every house there is in the same style.
Let's not back away, take it
हाँ गाड़ी वाले सर 22 रुपये नहीं सर.
So guys, right now we are going to Kalka Maa ka Mandir. From there we'll take a toy train to Shimla. We reached Shimla from Kalka. Oh, it's not Kalka, it's Kalka. So Kalka. It took 5.5 hours for us to reach Shimla by this toy train. By taxi it will take only 3 hours, but by this train it's 5.5 hours. It's actually moving now. So
You could live a lie and never be true. It's so funny now how clearly I can see you. You're never wrong and I'm never right, and you win all the rounds in every fight. That's why can't stand the day we always getting your way. You just keep getting your way. You just keep getting your way. Selfish, so I decide.
We were strictly instructed after this point, no phones and food, not even water bottle is allowed because of too many monkeys. They really attack people.
You're selfish.
Guess the time, guys. Guess the time. It's 7 o'clock right now. 7 o'clock. And there is no ounce of darkness. Everything is bright.
The next day.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game. It's all the same. All your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Guys, this is the fourth place we are currently seeing. First one is Green Valley, second one is Kufri, third is Botanical Garden, and fourth is Apple Garden. Right now, apples are currently not visible. They are very, very tiny. Let's see. This one. Can you see? The flower season is completed, and right now, apples cannot be seen. Only the, small fetus can be seen, fetus of apple. They cover it with white cloth so that when it rains, the small apples will not fall down. It's something like protection cloth, but it's very thin. It's very thin.
With this feeling, I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you planting trees around. This is our daily to dream. My heart it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you.
मैं लिल्ली पर बैठी हूँ. पिकनिक पॉइंट, मूवी पॉइंट, नेक्स्ट प्लेस गोल्फ ग्राउंड. एक बार फिर से बोलिए ना.
ये नीचे में डाउन में रिवर राफ्टिंग रहता है.
हाँ.
बाय कार जाना पड़ता है 31 किलोमीटर. स्पॉट नेम तत्ता पानी.
ओके. नागदेवता मंदिर, it will only open twice in a year, one for Diwali and one for Nagapanchami. This is the golf ground and
शाबाश लगा कड़िया.
here Divana movie is filmed, guys. लिली अच्छी बच्ची है.
लास्ट नंबर.
This is the topmost point, guys. मंदिर का नाम क्या है?
भीमा काली.
बीमा काली मंदिर. This is the topmost point. 7,500 फीट के ऊपर है हम. सी लेवल से.
में नीचे रोड है. ये जाती है चाइना के लिए. वो देखो पहाड़ी से 1962 में निकाली थी रोड, जब इंडिया चाइना वॉर हुआ था.
ओके.
आर्मी के पास में रोड रहती है.
अभी तक.
हाँ, मिलिट्री का ही गाड़ी चलता था.
ओके ओके.
नो टूरिस्ट नो नो.
Guys, Lovers Point is in front, it seems.
I don't need just getting me above now. Just getting me above now.
After riding horse for 40 minutes, both my thighs are paining. My father lost his throat because of screaming. One of his colleagues had a major accident while riding a horse, so he caught a phobia.
The next day.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn.
Good morning and day 3 in Shimla. Today, Shimla sightseeing. First, we are going to Tara Devi Temple, which is approximately 25 kilometers from the main Mall Road, Shimla.
The ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, keep the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Guys, this is one of the beautiful temple I have ever seen. If you ever come to Shimla, never miss this temple. Even though it's 25 kilometers from Shimla, don't miss it. It's really good.
With you, it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Change my fate, yeah, please just blow this flame away. And I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me.
Later.
Hi from Shimla. Even here I'm in this attire and you'll know why in the near future.